students, welcome to Pro Talent and I'm Nitin Parmar. Many of you are sending me a message on Telegram and saying that sir, I'm an average student. I'm from commerce background. Can I crack CAT? I have 2 months left. Can I crack CAT? My dear students, let me tell you, the people like Virat Kohli, the people like Rohit Sharma, the people like Sachin Tendulkar, they were the average people before they became Virat Kohli, before they become Sachin Tendulkar. Who became Sachin Tendulkar? A person who's sitting and watching this video became Sachin Tendulkar by going to Ramakant Acharekar, by following a regular schedule, and you can say putting all 100% efforts. He did not waited for his luck to come. ठीक है, सचिन तेंदुलकर इज नॉट बाय लक, सचिन तेंदुलकर is not by destiny, Sachin Tendulkar is not by past, Sachin Tendulkar is not about intelligence. Similarly, for your CAT examination, the people who are cracking CAT, ठीक है, are not the people who are very intelligent people. Okay, if they are intelligent, they have worked hard. Okay, in 10th standard, they might have solved, you can say 10,000 plus math question. In 11th and 12th standards, they might have solved 20,000 math questions. That's why they are intelligent. Okay, okay, my dear students, keep that in mind. There is nothing like luck. There is nothing like destiny. There is nothing like intelligence. What is very important is this, that look, if you are average candidate, make sure that you follow a process. What is a process? Okay, make sure that you keep a target for 2 weeks. Okay, daily keep a target for 2 weeks and achieve it. You execute it. If you want to execute your plan of achieving CAT, cracking CAT, reaching to the top IIMs, okay, make sure that you have kept a plan for 2 weeks and you execute it. And then make a plan for the next 2 weeks and execute it. Okay, that's very important. Okay, when you set a target, okay, so when I'm putting a target set kiya kya, then the question is, if you have set your target, did you execute it or not? That's very important. My students, if you want my support for your, you can say, target related part, I will suggest you that send a telegram message to me. You set a target for 2 weeks, send it to me. I will give you proper modification on it. Okay, okay, you can very well do that. Number one. Number two, are you can say practicing questions? Okay, that's very important. Now what do you mean by practicing questions? Only solving, you can say, mock test and sectional test, will that be helpful to you? No. Question practice requires two-stage preparation. One is a particular concept followed by the questions on it. Okay, so you are able to understand each and every concept behind that particular topic. Okay, so that theoretical aspect with practice questions, and then you are solving simultaneously sectional test as well as mock test. So these are the two important work you have to do. And another important part, you want to become intelligent, you want to get into IIM Ahmedabad, you want to get into IIM Bangalore, you want to get into IIM Kolkata, what you need is 10 to 12 hours of efforts now. If you are not putting it, you are not getting into the top, you can say, IIMs. So if you are an average guy putting regular efforts, you are able to reach to the top IIMs. Remember, these are the world of management. Okay, these are not world for the research. Okay, they are not requiring the scientists for the NASA. Even for the scientists for the NASA are the people who are putting regular efforts for 10 to 12 hours for consistently 20 years, 15 years. Okay, I'm expecting that you are putting all these consistent efforts for the next 2 months. Okay, not for me, but for you. Yes or no? Because that is going to be a game changer in your life. If you are average guy, follow these methods. Believe me, nobody will stop you to enter into IIM Ahmedabad. Yes or no? Great. All the best.